Wedelia is a plant with many uses including medicinal and transitional. Wedelia chinensis, also called sphagneticolacan, is a flowering plant species in the genus Sphagneticola. It treats cold, cough, dermatological disorders. The leaves or aerial parts are used to treat stubborn wounds, sores, swelling, and arthritic joints. It also used to treat rheumatism and arthritic pain, headaches and toothaches, skin problems and inflammation, hepatitis and indigestion, amenorrhea and menorrhagia. Reported properties. The plant is found in riverside or waterland. Nature is nature. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.